Hello, this is a quick video to show you how to remove the print head on your ix6820 wide format edible printer, and let's just get into it. First, you want to make sure the printer is on, so that power light needs to be on, and then you lift up the cover. You wait for the print head to slide into the slot for removal. Then you remove your ink cartridges. You're gonna pop this little gray lever up. Pops into place. Then you're gonna reach in, you're gonna grab this little piece here. It's a little bit bigger than the other walls, and it's just easy to pinch and pull slowly down and then towards yourself and up, and it comes right out. And this is your print head. The long line is the black nozzle, and the smaller rectangle is your colored nozzles. Now you can clean this up using some sort of wipe, like an alcohol wipe, or you can use a paper towel with distilled water. The water must be distilled because tap water or bottled water has minerals in it that can get caught inside these nozzles, and then it will ruin the print head. So you have to be careful. And you can clean this area too down here if need be. If the cleaning isn't good enough with just a wipe, you can also soak this into distilled water by filling up some sort of like a container, and you just put it in there and you just let it sit. However, you should not get this green chip wet because this area is more sensitive. So you just want to fill it up to the top of the black nozzle here. So once it sits there, you can just let it sit there overnight, and you will notice all of the ink will come off. Then once you dry it, you put it back in the same way you took it out. You just slowly, gently, just falls into place. You close this, you put your ink cartridges back in, and that's it. You're good to go. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit Ink for Cakes for all your edible printing needs, and that includes the highest quality edible inks and edible papers. And thanks for watching.